In a dusty corner of an old, forgotten workshop, a tiny robot named Ricky was fast asleep. Suddenly, a strange sound echoed from below. Ding, ding! It was coming from the basement, a place no one ever went. Ricky's curiosity sparked. His little gears whirred as he crept down the creaky stairs, following the mysterious chime. The air grew colder, and the sound got louder. He reached the basement door and pushed it open slowly, and there, in the middle of the dark room, was a glowing key, just floating in the air. As Ricky stared, the key zipped right towards him, as if it had chosen him. He reached out and grabbed it. The moment his metal fingers touched it, the whole basement began to shake violently. The walls rumbled, and dust rained from the ceiling. What's happening? A door is about to appear. Make sure to follow for part 2 to see what lies behind it.